Hi, I'm Steve from TLC Truck and Equipment in Pompano Beach, Florida, and today we're here with a brand new Kenworth T-280 Stepside Classic. TLC Truck in Pompano Beach, Florida is the only place where you'll find the patented Stepside Classic. This truck is especially beautiful because of its full mirrored stainless toolboxes. Ooh la la. Whenever we build one of these Stepside Classics, we like to take the opportunity to flex our muscles and showcase some of our thought and creativity. Check out these ground effects. They're on fire. This truck has additional strobes installed in the grille, in the taillight section. There's strobes underneath the toolboxes. Check out the button lights in the custom lower valence. A truck like this can really light up the night. If you like what you see and you'd like to see more, check us out at TLC Truck in Pompano Beach, Florida. My name is Steve from TLC, where nobody builds them better.